The clamp is locked shut on our FANUC RoboShot injection molding machine. So it's in manual mode. You're trying to open the clamp, but nothing you do works. So in order to release it, you've got to get to the emergency key. Here in the main menu, which you can get to by pushing this button in the lower right-hand corner of the console, go down here to the bottom left where it says Alarm Diagnostics. And you go to the next tab to the right that says Alarm. Down below you've got a series of tabs, and you want Servo Diagnostics. Servo Diagnostics. Okay, and up here you can see here's the emergency key. Right now it's off. If you just press off, there we go. It's in off. If you just push this button to the right here, on, now the emergency key is on. In order to switch it off, push that again. There you go. On is selected. Push off here on the left. And now the emergency key is off. And that's how you can use manual mode here to open the clamp. And there you go. Your clamp is open.